Okay, let's start by going to the address bar. I'll type in ilovepdf.com. This is a popular online tool for PDF conversions. Let's click on the first search suggestion. Great! We'll look for the Word to PDF conversion tool on this page. As you can see, the Word to PDF tool is right here. Go ahead and select the Word to PDF option to continue. Excellent! Now we're ready to upload our Word document for conversion. The conversion page has loaded and we can see our file explorer. Let's drag our Word document, Guide to Healthy Habits Docs, directly onto the browser window. Great! The file is now uploading to the website. With our file uploaded, we're ready to start the conversion process. Let's start the conversion by clicking the Convert to PDF button. The tool is now processing your document and converting it from Word format to PDF. The conversion is complete and your PDF is ready for download. Let's download and verify our converted PDF file. Let's download our converted PDF file. You can see the download progress in your browser's download bar. Great! Now let's open and review our PDF file to make sure everything converted properly. The PDF opens in a new tab, and we can see our document has been successfully converted. Let's scroll through the pages to make sure everything looks good. Checking pages 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll scroll back to the top to see the first page again. Excellent! Our Word document has been converted to PDF format. The conversion tool maintained all the formatting, images, and text exactly as they appeared in the original document. Now you know how to quickly convert any Word file to PDF using this simple online tool.